Today we're going to learn how to switch to dark mode on Chrome. So first we're going to do it in Windows version. All you have to do is to open a new tab in your Google Chrome, which I already have, and from here click on Customize Chrome. Now you can see a panel here. Now from this section, if you click on dark, your Chrome will automatically go into dark mode. Now from here you can also change your color palettes, which are like so. And you can also use this eyedropper so you can change a specific color for your background color. And also from the light section you can also change the color palette as well. And also you can change your Chrome theme as well. You can click on this part and you can select from all the themes that Chrome added. For example, I wanna select this and I wanna put this in my Chrome. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit and there you go, picture from your device as well. Now in the mobile version, all you have to do is to click on settings, and from themes you can select from dark and light mode. And that's it for this video.